The sun is shining bright like a colorful aurora. It paints the world in.
We're now going to the mini island.
Hi guys! We're on our way. It's currently, what time is it?
5:16 a.m.
No! 6 lang.
This is my outfit.
This is my outfit.
So cute.
Thank you.
My mirror's so dirty. Ilang itinda pala.
Guys, look at her eyes.
Bida. Bida.
Guys, we're here now. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Hi guys.
We're here now.
I don't even know this place. Kung anong name niya.
So pretty. Look. So pretty. Feel ko na naiinitan na. Wow.
Ilunod mo doon yung cellphone mo.
May ano man. Scuba. Ay. So we're here now, guys. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
May tao pa kasi. May tao pa.
Wait, kaya yan.
Dito na kayo.
Seven. Yo yo yo. Yo yo yo. 6'7".
So pretty. Malamig. Wala talaga ako makita. Oh wow. I feel like I'm in the Amazon forest. So pretty here, guys. Nasa doon ako ngayon, and it's so comfortable and scary.
Hi guys. Get ready with us.
Hi, guys!
Get ready with us.
Hi, guys!
To go to expensive.
Hi, guys!
Hi guys. Get ready with
Ano ka nang nasa bike mo tapos yung ganon?
We are moving.
Ano tawag doon?
Banana boat.
Hindi, iba pa yung nasa parang tapos aangat yung ganon.
Ay, yung ano.
Ano tawag doon? Ay, buta ko tawag doon. What do you call that?
What do you call that? Yung ano
Yung
ba?
mahila ka ng barko tapos yung kami para po sa mataas, yung dalawa kayo. Magano kayo, may nagsasayaw. Tawag doon. Hindi kayo iihi eh.
Hindi.
Galan talaga maliligo.
Dapat mag-ilawin mo yung pawat.
Hindi, sa tubig kasi. Sa tubig pala. Okay.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Ang gulo ng hair ko because of the wind. Hi vlog. I don't know if ay nagpicture pala ang dalawa. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this kasi nga I'm probably gonna like be distracted. Itas mo yung I wanna swim but I haven't changed yet. The water is so cold. I love it. Go! Ang lamig sa puti. Sa ano? Sa puti. Hi guys! It's so salty! Hoy, ganyan tayo! It's so salty! Malamang dagat! It's so salty! I love it! Yuck! Okay. I'm scared. Baka mabasa.
No, hindi man yan mababasa.
I know, but I have trust issues.
Hi, guys! I will dip into the water.
I want to try. Malamig yung tubig. Hindi talaga.
Ay, nakakainin ka! Picture! Kunyag kakainin ka! Kunyag kakainin ka! 3, 2, 1, go!
Kainin ka!
Topingin na, te! Te, topingin na, te. Kita yung lobot?
Ako yun.
Princess! Mermaid! Uy, si mermaid.
Wait. Oh, princess na tabingi!
Princess! Sita!
Okay, come on! Tabingi!
I'm scared, you guys.
Let's go.
Wait, I think I have to like stand up and then jump.
Pabalik doon.
Okay, o sige. Paano na yan? Palayo kayo ng palayo.
YouTube mo. Para sa YouTube video mo! Bagay na, pagpalayo. Oo na.
Parang palayo kayo ng palayo, ah. Pag kayo talaga tumaob dyan. Ayun, nakaano sila.
Baliktaas naman. Baliktaas?
Ayok. Are you sleepy?
Hi guys. We're now going to the mini island. Yeah.
Wow.
Ganda na sana. But when you...
Tayo ba yan?
Oh.
Oh. We got our food now. She has strawberry.
Yeah.
And she got Biscoff. I also got Biscoff because I love Biscoff.
The sun is shining bright like a colorful aurora. It paints the world in hues of orange.